Hey guys, so we're almost there. After this, I'm going to go get my food and eat. Yo, eat. Yep. So I'll get up there. Guys, so last present. After that, I'm going to do this. Okay guys, so yep. Let's do this. That's okay. Okay. So great. I have to do this. Guys, wait. After this, I'm going to end the video. Okay, so this is just going to be quick. Let's go, finally. Now I can finally done this, and then now I can finally. Okay guys, so one last thing before I end the video. We are going to get to the house first, which is just very quick. Okay guys, so while this is done, I will end the video after this is done. So okay guys, so okay, it's very hard. Okay. Dude, I don't have enough, so bye guys!